Hey y'all. So I'm gonna do a Skinproud unboxing, so I can't believe it because I reached out to them by email. Was it like March? No, last year or months ago. I'll put it here, maybe the screenshot. So, and then they took forever to reply, and they're like, "Hey, I can send you a little mailer from Skinproud." I was like, yeah, okay, sure. And then like a month or two later, a long time passed after that, and finally May of this year they sent me the thing they promised. So yay. So this is their brand, this is their logo, Skinproud. It's just a skincare brand. So okay, what does it say? So hey bestie. Okay, so feeling inspired by budding blossoms and warm. Okay, so okay, so these are their social medias. Oh, I don't know why it says Walmart, but this looks like it's a vegan cruelty-free brand, which I love. Okay, so I need those earrings. Can I have them? Okay, so let's see. So it looks like this. What does it say? Oh, it's just their information, like their social medias and stuff. So I just love their confetti and their packaging. It's so girly, it's so fun, it's springy and pink. You see? Yes! Sorry, I get excited when I see sunscreen or SPF, especially if it's 50 plus. So yay, I've been wanting to try their SPF. Okay, so this is their serious shade sunscreen lightweight hydrating SPF 50 skin serum. Okay, so this one's very good, high protection, is it? Okay, so the ingredients, let's see. So these are all the ingredients in case y'all are interested. So let's see how this looks. So okay, and it's so tiny, it's so cute. Oh yes, the packaging is so different, it's unique. I like when brands do that, right? It looks so cool. First of all, I love the colors, right? The neon is so bright and happy, and that's their logo. It's literally engraved there. Oh my gosh, the name, I get. I just love it. Okay, so this is the bag. Wow, okay, it tells you the directions and everything. So basically you have to put a generous amount 15 minutes before you go outside and reapply at least 2 hours. And I always forget, like I even bring my sunscreen when I go out for that, but I still forget. I need an alarm or something whenever I'm outside to be honest, because I'm so careless, like I forget everything. It's annoying. So okay, so for you to open it, you just twist it. I was like, I can't open it, but you're supposed to twist it. So it's pretty cool. Look, it's a twisty packaging. I'm just gonna love playing with it. It's just satisfying. Anyway, so okay, this is how it looks. Okay, let me swatch. Oops, I put too much, but it smells like traditional sunscreen. It is white, so I don't know if it's what's the name? Not the white cast. That no, I forgot. I think that's how you say it. Where there's some sunscreens that don't have that you don't look crazy white. I don't know if this one is like that, but ooh, it blended nicely. Ooh, I look dewy, and this one feels very dewy, like a cream and moisturizer, like a serum. No wonder. Yeah, this one's like a serum. It's like not like the traditional SPF. So this one is gonna be pretty good for dry skin. Okay, I know this is gonna be my favorite. Oh my gosh, it's sad because it's so tiny. It's so small. Like, ooh, you can hear everything. The liquid. Yeah, you see, sunscreen is usually like creamy, thick consistency, and this is liquidy. So Yes, this is so good for dry skin. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be my favorite sunscreen ever. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not expensive because to repurchase it's gonna be a little hard, but I just love the scent. It smells a little bit different, like traditional sunscreen. It does smell like traditional sunscreen, but a little hint of something, which is an even better scent. So wow, I just like it a lot. Wow, can't believe they sent me this. And I was about to decline the offer because I was like, I don't need skincare, but I'm glad I actually said yes because I do need SPF. So okay, so the next thing they sent me is this bright eye pomegranate gel cream. So this is an eye cream. Look at the packaging. I can't. Okay, so this basically has like shea butter and pomegranate, that fruit, you know. I've never tried skincare with that fruit before, so we'll see. It probably smells good. So this is basically good for what? For brightening and just giving you moisture. And yeah, that's basically what it is. It has like vitamin C. It has niacinamide. It's just very nice. Okay, so let's see. Let's open it. So do I have, yeah, I'm using the Ipsy little eye cream. So I don't really have a lot of eye cream. So okay, let's see. No, I ripped the box. Okay. Ooh, it's a little cute too. It's so pretty. Okay, so it says day and night, I guess, so you can use it twice a day. So yeah, use it AM and PM and apply to the eye area using a gentle pattern motion with ring finger like that. So this one looks very good. So this one's comes out in a tube. Yeah, comes out white. It's very smooth, like the sunscreen. This one has a scent, so it smells nice. Okay, so far I'm not getting any allergic reaction or anything. I feel like my skin is gonna like this brand. Okay, so does it smell like pomegranate? Not really. I can't really tell, to be honest. Like fruity? Not really. Kind of like the sunscreen, but I don't know if it's because it's strong that I can't tell the difference. But it smells very good. Okay, now it's smelling like fruity pomegranate. Yeah, it kind of smells a little bit like candy, but it smells a little bit like fruity. Yeah. Okay, so wow, this is like so nice and feels nice, and I can't. Okay, so let's see. The other one is a everything balm multi-use skin balm, which wow, okay, this is pretty new to me. This is cool. So I guess this is you can use in your face and body or your lips, everywhere. So these products are pretty cool. So this is hydrating. It has jojoba oil. Okay, so those are the ingredients it has. It has like a lot of cool ones. Okay, so basically you can use this everywhere in your skin, pretty much. So I guess where you're dry, you can use this everywhere. So in case you want to read it, you know. Okay, so this brand is so far looking good to me. Yeah, wow. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's the same packaging as the other product. It's just bigger. It's pretty. You see, this one you can use day and night as well. So Yeah, lips, cuticles, and dry patches. So yeah, literally everywhere. So if you have eczema or very dry skin, you can use this for that. Ooh, which I have, which I need. So okay, so it comes with the safety cap. Okay, let me see. Ooh, this one smells like vanilla, not like the other ones. Not fruity or sunscreen like. Oh, this is thick, but this smells good. It's like Vaseline texture, like that. You see, it's very creamy, like Carmex Vaseline, yeah. But it smells sweet, though, very sweet, like vanilla candy, like, yeah. This, ooh, smells good. I can't stop smelling it. Wow. If I could have a perfume with this scent, or I don't know, this was very sweet, like candy, like like dessert, like wow. Wow, okay, this is cool. Okay, definitely whenever I feel like I have eczema, I'm gonna try this. Or you know, if I run out of lip balm, I always repurchase them. I always run out of lip balm, I probably use this if I don't have any. So this is a must. Okay, definitely check this out. I haven't tried it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. I just have a feeling, you know. Wow, yes. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so the last thing is this Bright Boost 2% vitamin C serum, which vitamin C serum, I just love using it. I stopped using it because I don't know, I was starting using retinol and other things that I was like, I don't want to risk my skin getting more damaged, like have more scarring. But anyways, this is the packaging. Okay, so this one has, damn, new products I've never heard of before. Like what? The first one, what is that? What? So this is hydrating and revitalizing and glow enhancing, all of that. So this is basically a traditional vitamin C serum with a little bit of extra ingredients, you know, to make your skin more better. So okay, so you can use this in your face and neck. Just use 1 to 2 pumps. That's basically how you use it, a day and night, pretty much, I'm pretty sure. So, or maybe just day. Yeah, it doesn't say day and night, but day and night. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's so cute and tiny. It's a little. I just love their packaging. It's so kawaii, aesthetic, very cute. Okay, so this is so pretty again. Okay, so yeah, pretty much it's what I just mentioned, how to use it, and it's just right. It's so pretty. I can't. Okay. Oh, okay. It comes with a pump. So let me swatch here. I don't wanna. Oh, it's liquidy. Duh, it's a serum. Oh, it came out like a spray, and it's clear and it smells like perfume I used to wear as a kid. Yeah, like in the 2000s. It reminds me of everything of the 2000s. Anyways, so, wow, this is very dewy. Very, it's liquidy, but like serumy and not too thick, but a little slimy, like aloe vera. Not really. So this feels like it's actually gonna seep into your skin and moisturize. Not like there's some oils and serums that they just feel oily and too thick. Not this one. This one feels really good. So kind of like a mixture, a little bit of cream, not really, but it's very good texture and scent. I never smelled something like this. it smells very good. Wow, like perfumey, like lotion. So if you don't like scents on skincare, you might not like this brand, but it smells so good. But I'm pretty sure once you apply it on your skin and let it sit, it probably won't smell anymore. But as soon as you put it on, you can smell it. It's so good. You're just gonna love the scents, trust me. And the formula, the texture wise, I'm just swatching it and I like it already. Like, and you already know I don't like lying when it comes to reviews. So girl, if I tell you it smells good and it feels good, it is. So I mean, obviously you don't have to trust me, but just keeping it real. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Damn, thank you Skinproud. I'm very happy they sent me this because these I actually needed some and they actually look and feel good. So wow, I'm so excited. I don't get this excited with skincare, but wow, this brand, yes. Damn, I can't wait to try more of their things now. I'm gonna look more into their website. Like, wow. And I'm gonna put the prices here, their social media, everything. If not in the screen, like in the description box. But this is gifted. This is not paid, by the way. So yeah, they were just nice to pick me because I emailed them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Wow. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.